What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you want to let's say learn or even working about the databases field? If yes, so you need to learn about the SQL guys, because it will help you let's say to gather or collecting the data from the huge database. Well, what is actually the SQL? Here, following the definition from the Google, SQL stands for the Structured Query Language, which is programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases, guys. So, if you would like to learn about this SQL, however, if you are not from the mathematic or let's say IT background, it is very okay because there are several tools that will help you to learn about the SQL out there. And here I found the SQL Zoo that can be your option to learn about the SQL from very basic, guys. So in this SQL Zoo, you don't need to or totally no need to do the login or sign up with your email. And here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And you can also learn about the SQL from the very basic until the next level, guys. And for example, you can start from this 0, select basic. And usually if you would like to learn about this SQL, it will serve you or give you the table that contains a lot of data over here, like this is the word table, for example, and this table contains the name of the country, continent, area, population, and GDP. And let's start from this one that we can use the where clause. The example uses a where clause to show the population of French, for example here. Note that string should be in the single quotes. So, or basically, you can use this where clause to gather the data or picking up the data about the French population only, like this. However, in this test, you need to only read this instruction, modify it to show the population of Germany. So the step is very simple. You just need to change the country to become Germany, like this. And after that, you can click this submit SQL. And voila, this is the correct answer, guys. Good job. You can start to try it, and you can also restore the default like this, guys. And after that, you can also try this. For example, we can use the word in to allow us to check if an item is in a list. And also, the example shows the name, population of the countries from Brazil, Russia, India, and China. So this actually the wrong answer because I used the wrong query like this. So I will start to restore it to become default. And after that, I will follow this instruction to become, let's say, Sweden. And after that, Norway. And also the Denmark. Make sure that you can type the name of the country correctly, and I will remove the rest of it like this. And after that, I will submit the SQL, and this will be the correct answer, guys. And you can continue to learn about this every concept for this basic, and you can continue to let's say have this quiz. Let's say, well, actually this is the the quiz to let you get introduced by this SQL concept. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this SQL Zoo, and you can learn from the basic until, let's say, self join like this, or even the next of this join. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.